Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to create something very glamorous with a lot of glitter and a lot of hot pinks. As you guys can tell, I wore a little hot pink sweater for you guys. So yeah, let's get right to it, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first shade that I'll be using, it's from the 35 Morphe palette, and it's in this hot pink shade right here. And I'll be grabbing my Beauty Mark Makeup Academy brush right here. Yo, what is up with this weather, you guys? It's freaking hot today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use this on a little bit above my brow bone and just blend that outwards. And we're gonna use this bright neon pink as our transition color. Okay, the next shade that I'll be grabbing, it's going to be from the Anastasia, and it's going to be Venetian Red right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my deluxe crease brush, and it's in the number SSO12. And I'm just going to apply this color on my crease and add a lot of pressure to it just so it can go ahead and look a little bit darker. And again, just bring the color towards your brow bone. Just drag it out a little. Okay, so I completely forgot to add a shade before beginning the video, and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like a cream color, and I'm going to apply this near my brow bone with my fluffy brush. It's from Morphe, and it's my E22 fluffy brush, and I'm just going to lightly apply that over the hot pink. And then I'm just going to go over it with the fuchsia, just to diffuse that a little. Next, I'll be grabbing my MB119 brush and my Stay Don't Stray primer. And I'm just going to do a half cut crease. I have a mirror right here because I don't want to look it. I'm just going to lightly drag this, not too far towards the end, just the middle. Okay, now I'm going to grab my beauty blender and just dab that. Next, I'll be grabbing this nude shade from the 35B Morphe palette. And with my finger, I'm just going to go ahead and dab that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply my glitter with this glitter by Too Faced, and I'm just going to apply it with a flat brush. It doesn't necessarily have to be a flat brush, I just find these easier. And I'm going to apply this on the area where the white part area is, and kind of just smudge it towards the dark area. Okay, quickly, just because it does dry fast, I'm going to grab another flat brush and just go into my glitter and apply that. Just glitter is so pretty. It has like little hearts. It's so freaking cute. I'm trying to get one heart because my other eye has one heart. So I'm trying to get one freaking heart in there. I don't think it's gonna happen. With a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff out the remaining glitter because glitter can be a little messy. Now I will be applying my black eyeliner, and it is by Tarte with my little paintbrush here. I'm telling you, you guys need to try this out. It's actually Artiste Loft Vienna, and it's in the number 0. So when you guys go to Michael's and you guys purchase this brush, make sure it's the 0 one. I think it's the smallest. I think there's still a thinner brush than this. So I'm going to be having a mirror like this and just facing down and starting with the outer corner and then just kind of dragging it up. And then once it's up here, I'm going to bring it in. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some Venetian red under my waterline. Just smooth that out. You guys, as I'm sitting here, I updated my Snapchat and I don't like it. I freaking hate it. Okay, I just added Cypress Umber right below my waterline, and I'm going in again with the Venetian red brush and just blending those two together very lightly. Let me know if you guys freaking like the new update. I don't like it. I just feel like random shit always comes out now. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte mascara. And I'm also going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and it's in the color Milk. And I'm going to be applying that in my waterline. Just makes your eyes brighter. Going to add a little bit of blush to my cheekbones. And some highlight. Ooh, I think I added too much. So this is going to be the finished look for the second day of Valentine's Day tutorials. Let me know what you guys think. I try to make it as easy as possible for you guys. I know it can be a little bit difficult to follow steps by steps, but I promise you, once you guys practice and practice, you guys will get the hang of it and you guys will be slaying the streets. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video.